So what we're presenting today is repeated measures. Repeated measures is the same measure that is collected several times in a single group of subjects. It's also known as a within-subject design. What we use this repeated measure for is to measure the changes in a single subject over time.
So what we have on the projector is a test that we made up. And we have 10 subjects, each measured 3 times over three semesters. The dependent variable will be the GPA over those 3 semesters. And as you can see in this column, this is our GPA. As each semester goes on, it tends to kind of decrease with each subject. And with this data on NCSS, we will go to analysis, go to analysis of variance, and get there. Go to repeated measure analysis of variance. From there, our response variables will be the dependent variable, which is actually our GPA. The subject variable is the subject, is the people that we are measuring, and the between factors is the semester. Once we have all of this, we are going to go to reports and make sure we have the Fisher's LSD and the Tukey-Kramer test, and from there we will push run. So once we have this, we get a spreadsheet of all of our data with the means, the sum of squares, standard deviation, and our F ratio. What we're looking for is our F ratio to see if it shows a significant difference between our semesters and our GPA. Thoughts?
Okay, so looking at the data, we can see that for source term A, which is semester, we have a significant F ratio. And you see this because the probability level is less than 0.05, which we're looking for our term to be significant at alpha equals 0.05. And if we scroll down, when we get to the Fisher's LSD multiple comparison test, it'll tell us which groups are different. The F score up here, it tells us that there is a difference within A, or semester, but we don't know where. So we scroll down, and the Fisher's LSD tells us that group 1, which is the first semester, it gives us the mean here, and it says that it's different from semester 3. The same thing for semester 2, and then semester 3 shows that it's different between semesters 1 and 2. And then just another way to look at it is the Tukey-Kramer multiple comparison test, same kind of post hoc test, just a different way of doing it. And this one does give us a little bit different results. We can see that only group 1 and group 3 are different, and that group 2 isn't different from either.